Hey guys, this is Windows 11 operating system. I will show you how to fix this error on Windows system. In the first step, right click here, select task manager, then click on run new task, select browse button, then go to this PC. We need to open C drive, then just scroll down and open Windows folder. After that, just scroll down and search for 1632 folder. Double click on it to open it, then just scroll down and find out cmd.exe file. So here it is, select it and click on open. Now check this box and click on OK. Once we are here, we need to execute the command ipconfig space slash flush DNS and hit enter. Once done, type exit to close the command prompt window. Then simply just right click here, select task manager, and then find out the task manager, right click on it and select end task. Once done, just right click here, select run, and type here ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Right click on your internet connection, select properties, then select IPv4 and click on properties. Then select this option, use the following DNS server address, then simply type here 8.8.8.8 and hit the tab button, then press 8.8.4.4. then check this box and click on OK, select close, and this will try to detect the problem related to your particular issue. Then just close this window. Then after that, right click here, select settings, then scroll down, go to troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters, and from here we need to find out the internet connection. So click on run and click here. So that's it guys, your problem will be solved. You are good to go. Just restart the system and there we go.